Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch called lock stitch. Lock stitch looks simple, used to fill border lines and as edging stitch. This is a lacing stitch. We'll put a row of vertical straight stitches that are laced. We'll work the stitch in parallel lines. Start at the top line and take your needle back through the bottom line. You will get a vertical straight stitch. Again at an interval we will put another vertical straight stitch. Again the third stitch. Another vertical stitch. Always take care to make stitches at equal intervals so that your embroidering will look perfect and beautiful. In this same method, I will put the row of vertical straight stitches. Like this and come back to you. Now I have finished the vertical stitches. I am using green thread for lacing. Start at this point. Pass the needle through the first straight stitch and take it out. See here. Pass the needle in the second straight stitch. The thread should be on top and while passing in the next stitch, the green thread should be in the bottom like this. Again pass the needle in the next stitch and the green thread should be on top. Once again pass the needle through the next stitch and the green thread should be on the bottom. Once in the bottom and once in the top. Again the thread on the top. For the next stitch, the thread in the bottom. Continue to pass the thread in each stitch, once on top and once in the bottom. And this stitch is called lock stitch. There is another version called double lock stitch. I'll show you in the next video. I have shared video links for many other stitches in description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. And this is the back view of the stitch. If you like this video, click the like button. Also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you'll get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.